Good morning, students. Today, just as I gave you the homework yesterday to do the second chapter of Previa, the sentence. It is the second chapter. So let's revise first of all. A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought, a complete meaning. इस sentence को क्या होता है? Group of words that express complete meaning. For example, the boys are flying kites. Go and post the letter. Where did you sleep last night? What a beautiful painting. Alas, my pet dog has died. Now, there are certain things to remember. A sentence begins with a capital letter. The words in a sentence must be in correct order. A sentence ends with the full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. So, either of these three marks, they are used at the end of the sentence. Now, there are four kinds of sentences. Statement or assertive, they are also called declarative. Questions or interrogative, commands or imperative, exclamations or exclamatory. Now, statements, assertive or declarative sentences. The statements are the sentences that state or declare something. They are also called assertive sentences, like the earth revolves round the sun. Rima can dance very well. We kept waiting for them. She does not like to wear jeans. So all these sentences, they are beginning with capital letter and ending with full stop. So that means the statement sentences, declarative sentences or assertive sentences, they end with the full stop. Now, questions or interrogative. Questions are the sentences that ask questions. They are also called interrogative sentences. All written questions end with the question mark. Like, do you know how to swim? Why are you shouting so loudly? Has our team won the match? When do you get up in the morning? So all these are beginning with the capital letter and ending with the question mark. So the sentence which ends with the question mark is an interrogative or question sentence. Now, commands or imperative sentences. Commands are the sentences that express requests, order or advice. They are also known as imperative sentences. An imperative sentence, all imperative sentences end with a full stop. Or there are certain exceptions where they end with exclamatory mark. For example, please bring me a glass of water. That's a request. Don't pluck flowers. Order. Always obey the traffic rules. Advice. Don't talk in silly manner. Advice or suggestion. Now, exclamations. Exclamations are those sentences which express some strong sudden feeling. They are also called exclamatory sentences. All exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark. So, this is exclamation mark. How sad she was. What a delicious food. How strong the man is. What a delightful experience. So, right? This is the theory of sentences. Now, let's do exercise 2.1. Tell whether each of the following sentences is assertive, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. Write it in space provided. What a great shot. Exclamatory. Put your bag down. Imperative. Have you applied for the loan? Interrogative. I am fond of my dog. Assertive. How bad your handwriting is. Exclamatory. Don't break the traffic rules. Imperative. Give me some milk, please. Imperative. Do you like cartoon films? Interrogative. Floods in Kerala caused a lot of damage. Assertive. Will you join the music class? Interrogative. Rima is a wonderful dancer. Assertive. Wow, that's great indeed. Exclamatory. Stop shouting. Imperative. Mridul has stood fast in painting competition. Assertive. So, Let's do exercise 2.2. Here, rearrange the following groups of words to form statements and write them in the space provided. First one is Ananya has won the match. Full stop. Always begin with the capital letter and end with a full stop. We are writing statements. My mother is a teacher. Full stop. She follows her diet strictly. Full stop. The airplane was flying 35,000 feet above the ground. Full stop. All the students gathered in the auditorium. Full stop. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Full stop. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Full stop. Bats are the only flying mammals. Full stop. Ant is a wonderful insect in the world. Full stop. You should work hard to get good marks. Full stop. Now exercise 2.3. Rearrange the words in the following groups to make each group a question. Now we have to make interrogative sentences. Also put an interrogative mark at the end. Will you lend me your bicycle? Question mark. Who made this beautiful painting? Question mark. When will you come to my house? Question mark. Don't you play in the evening? Question mark. When will the next match begin? Question mark. Why are you angry with me? Question mark. Will you fly kites with me? Question mark. When did he reach his home? Question mark. Who will be responsible for this? Question mark. Can a rhino climb up a tree? Question mark. Exercise 2.4. Rewrite the given sentences with capital letters and putting a full stop, a mark of interrogation and mark of exclamation wherever required. Samina dances, it will be dances beautifully, full stop, it's a statement. Who will water the plants in our absence? It's a question, so question mark. What a nice weather it is. It's an exclamatory sentence, so sign of exclamation. Did Rohit go to see the principal? Question mark. How difficult the question was. How difficult the question was, sign of exclamation. About 1 million pilgrims visited the temple this year, full stop. Babu has bought a new pet monkey, full stop. Did you watch the match between India and Pakistan last night? Question mark. How selfish her mother is, sign of exclamation. Won't he come to see his ailing grandmother? Question mark. Rewrite the following exclamatory sentences as assertive sentences. First one is done for you. What a nice building. This building is very nice. How rude the shopkeeper was. The shopkeeper was very rude. What a grand party it was. It was a grand party. How warmly she welcomed the guests. She welcomed the guest quite warmly. How clean the school campus is. The school campus is very clean. Full stop. Remember to put full stop after each sentence. What rubbish it is truly. It is completely rubbish. Full stop. How smart your new driver is. Your new driver is very smart. Full stop. What a memorable day it was. It was a very memorable day. Full stop. Now, exercise 2.6. Decide whether the sentences given below are simple sentence statements, questions, or exclamation, and use the correct punctuation to finish them. Now, you make me so angry. Exclamate. You make me so angry. Put the sign of exclamation and write exclamatory. Are you feeling better today? Put sign of interrogation, interrogative. What is your sister's name? Interrogation, sign of interrogation, question mark, interrogative. When did you go to the zoo? Interrogation, mark or question. When I went to the shop, they did not have any sugar. Statement, full stop, put a full stop and write statement. Just go in and sit down. Full stop and imperative. Statement. It's a statement. It's good to see you. Full stop. Again a statement. I haven't seen you in a long time. Full stop. Statement. Where have you been? Question mark. Question. What are your plans for today? Question mark. Question. Now B part. Write exclamations for the sentences below. The water is very dirty. How dirty the water is. Sign of exclamation. Those are very fashionable clothes. How fashionable those clothes are. Sign of exclamation. It is a very high mountain. What a high mountain it is. Sign of exclamation. He speaks very fast. How fast he speaks. Sign of exclamation. He is very unreliable person. How unreliable person he is. Sign of exclamation. It is a very easy exercise. What an easy exercise it is. Sign of exclamation. It is a horrible film. How horrible the film is. Sign of exclamation. You snore very noisily. How noisy your snore is. Sign of exclamation. We have awful weather. What an awful weather we have. Sign of exclamation. It is a very simple system. How simple the system is. Sign of exclamation. He is slow. How slow he is. Sign of exclamation. We are tired. How tired we are. Sign of exclamation. They behave dreadfully. How dreadfully they behave. Sign of exclamation. It is very cold. How cold it is. Sign of exclamation. So that's it, students. That's it for now. And for tomorrow homework, you have to do this third chapter, subject and the predicate. All the exercises of this chapter you have to do for tomorrow's homework. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.